Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Unlock your iPhone 15 Pro and make sure it's on iOS 17 or later. This setting requires the updated software. Once done, check battery level, leave it above 10% to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and tap Display and Brightness. This section controls always-on display behavior. You're not pausing. Go straight to Display and Brightness so you can change the persistent screen options. These steps prepare the device and place you at the exact menu to act. You'll now perform the core action. In Display and Brightness, tap Always on Display to open its controls. Toggle the Always on Display switch to off. This immediately stops lock screen widgets and time from showing when the phone is idle. If you prefer partial behavior, adjust the dimming slider or enable focus exceptions. Those fine-tune when the screen appears. Make sure to watch for any prompts. Confirm changes if asked. Doing this removes the persistent screen state and saves battery as a result. Finish by testing. Lock the phone and observe the screen. Always on display should be gone. If it still shows, restart the iPhone to force settings to apply. A quick reboot resolves most glitches. If restarting doesn't help, inspect focus schedules and lock screen settings that might override AOD and confirm iOS is fully updated. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle AOD off, restart, then recheck focus and scheduled summaries. This sequence clears conflicts that keep the display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.